How dare you? Dare you say my child looks terrible, explosive? He does not. He looks perfectly like a normal child. See, he's crying now. He's crying now. Look what you've done. He's hissing. It's okay, we gotta find our seats. How dare you try to steal my child! Are you trying to die? Huh? Let me pat you down. Babysitter? Can you babysit this? Great job, man. What chair is this? Doesn't work. Meep. Hello, can I order a babysitter? What do you mean it's not an emergency? Yes, it is. I need a babysitter. Oh, okay. You're gonna arrest me? But I'm like... I think we're above, like, California. Why? Okay, so I couldn't order a babysitter. Oh my god! How dare you! Come with me. Have some soda, sir.
Excuse me? You? Yes, you. My drink appears to be empty. Go fetch me a fresh bottle.
Let me test that. Sure this is empty? Well, it looks pretty empty to me, so... Me stinky? Are you enjoying your drink? Wow, look at this! Happy! That's cool. Here you go, sir. Cigarette. Watch out. Baby have explosive tensions. Oh my god! It did have a bomb! It did have a bomb! Ah! I'm stuck in the floor! Oh my god! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Oh my god! Oh my god, that woman! My lower body! I'm gorilla dick! Thank you for watching, and peace.